Oh my god, guys, I did something terribly wrong to this spring, guys. And I'm really regret it. When I want to go to poo and I've noticed that something macam ada spot yang kembang-kembang tau. This for example. And then I was like, oh, this print's not water resistant and I need to seal it. And then I remember when I was in high school, I used white glue, that kind of glue, white school glue. FYI, you can use that glue for sealants. The more you know, you can use that glue for the sealant, and I thinking I might use that for these prints, and then I pun sapu lah white glue too. And guess what, guys? It turns out horrible. Can you see that? Can you see that? I'm totally regret it. And now I'm thinking of redoing that print. And I immediately go to the art store to get some paint color and brush, and I'm going to redo this print. That's all I'm going to do today. So as I said, I went to art supply, and this is the color and the art supply that I got. And today I attempt to use only these three color, only shade of greens and yellow. And I'm going to paint something like this or this one. Okay guys, I give up, and you wanna see the results? Ta-da! I don't know what to say. I think it's not great, but it turns out just good. I don't know, maybe. But I think I'm going to stop right here. So this is my new painting that I'm going to put in my toilet. So that's it. This is my first time showing my painting. I've never did it before on YouTube. So that's it. Bye guys. Bye.